Managing a matter with multiple clients? Set them up the right way in Wise Owl. Working on a matter with multiple clients or related parties. Making sure everyone is correctly linked to the matter helps keep your records accurate and your communications organized. To add multiple contacts, first open the matter you'd like to update. Before you begin, make sure each person or entity has already been created as a separate contact in Wise Owl. Inside the matter, select the Clients and Contacts tab. Clients appear on the left, with other related contacts on the right. To add another client, click the green Add Client button. A new line will appear where you can search for and select an existing contact. Before saving, check for any unused or empty client lines and remove them. To choose the primary client, use the up and down arrows beside the client list. The contact at the top of the list will become the primary client. Once finance or trust transactions exist, the primary client can no longer be changed. Be sure to set it correctly when creating the matter. Save your changes, then check the Matter Details tab to ensure the correct primary client is listed. Quick tip: if you're adding multiple clients to a matter, it's often best to add and confirm the primary client before any financial transactions are entered. This can save time and prevent future changes from being restricted. Stay tuned for more Wise Owl quick tips, and keep exploring Wise Owl Legal.